business should prove for the investor to put their money in their business?
That's an excellent question. First of all, you have two types of investors. You will have the private investors who will bet his own money, and for that you have two conceptions of the project. Either the project is really profitable, sustainable, and it will be attractable for the investor who want to invest and to bet the money which is his money. And for that, this is only figures, profitability, and the capacity of the growing up of the scaling of the project in the next years or the next decades. But you have as well another way for this type of investor. This is the investor who will invest on an idea, invest on a project in which we can have like a real believer, not only for the profitability, because it should be something which is related to his deeply conception, for example, of the fashion, but it should be, for example, like for a green project, or it should be, for example, like the takeover of a business which was a business which was century business in, for example, industry and the perfume. It should be the case in the south of France. We have a lot of perfumery which has been taken back. It was literally bankrupt companies, but there is a story behind that, and there is the magical of the project that you can contribute to assist. And most of the time, this is the type of the business angel, and this is the type of the crowdfunding as well, which has been based on the project, for sure, on a minimum of profitability most of the time, but not only profitability. In the second time, you have the institutional investor. This is venture capital, this is all of the big hedge funds who will take a project, which is most of the time on the biggest tickets, and for the roundable, which is totally different from the first type of project. And for that, this is only profitability. But the main advice is you have to get a really strong storytelling behind your project. Because for the figure, most of the time, this is only projection. For sure, you can have a project which is based on a project which is really solid at the beginning, but it will be only projection. It will be totally abstract. This is something that you can verify because there is a market trend, because there is a marketing study which can be done, because there is a comparison with other projects in the same way. But at the end of the day, it's only future interpretation. If you are good in your storytelling, if you are good in the project that you want to sell to your investor, you will definitely find someone who want to assist your project.
Thank you.